Alright, how's it going? Today we're going to make some professional skate wax. So, instead of buying it from the shop, it's a lot cheaper to make at home. You can make a shitload at home as well. So, let's start. Let's say, for example, these are some of the samples I made. Cookies, coffee, and this is honey scented. So, I'm going to go through all the ingredients and we'll get started. So first thing you need, we're just going to start with a 400 gram batch. It's winter here in New Zealand at the moment, so you want to go for a winter ratio. So I'm going to say a 70 to 30 ratio of paraffin wax and beeswax. So we'll start with paraffin wax. That's about 280 grams. So we'll chuck that on, get that reset. It's already pre-picked it out. It's 275. Yeah, we can just add a bit more on. It doesn't matter. So this paraffin wax I actually got off Marketplace, but you can also get on Amazon store. I'll send you guys a link for that. But you can get pretty much paraffin wax and beeswax off Marketplace. So you can get it so much cheaper than the store. So I just want to tell you guys now. So that's 280. Cool, we chucked it in. We'll just put it on a low heat. Chucked it all in. Alright. Now 30% beeswax, so that's 120 grams. So we're going to put this amount on. 115, that's okay. 126, that's fine. So we don't need to do like exact amounts if you're just making your own. It's no biggie. So we'll just put that in as well. And make sure you've got water in a pot. So all you need is a pot, like old pot like this, a tempered measuring glass, water in the pot, and then wax in the glass. And you just put it on low heat. You can use a mixing spoon as well. Also, what we'll do later is we'll add colouring and Oh, it smells good too. Yeah, give it a smell. Yeah, it smells good.
Delish.
Beeswax, man. All right, cut.
Yum.
Yep, halfway there. You just give it a mix with a chopstick, and we'll get to the next bit. Alright, man. So we've managed to get this all into liquid now. It's taken its time, so we're going to put the scents in. And what I usually do, I really like using the coconut oil, but today I'm going to add coffee oil. Just I want my bag to smell nice.
Wait, give us a close shot of the label. Wait, one sec. Focus on it. Yep.
Nice. So I'm just gonna tip it all in, bro. So I really want it to smell, and I'll put a bit of coconut oil in because I really like the texture it gives when I carve up my skate wax. You only need about 8 grams of oil, so you don't want to put too much in there, otherwise it'll be too soft. Like for example, don't use soy candles or soy wax because it's too soft. So you just want to stick with paraffin wax and beeswax. And beeswax is what makes it hard and it lasts longer. So yeah, we're doing winter edition. But if you ever want to do summer skate wax, I'd recommend doing a 60% paraffin and 40% beeswax, and that way it will be a lot harder in the summer. But we're obviously just doing 70 to 30 today.
Nice.
So we're gonna let that stir. Oh, also I forgot one more thing. We got some dye as well.
Give us a close up on the dye.
Yeah.
Focus on the dye real quick. Yeah, hang on, it's not focusing.
I'll give you the link. Don't worry about it. I'll give you the link. But yeah, so this paraffin wax I just found at a garage sale. But you can get pure paraffin like on Marketplace or wherever you Craigslist. I don't know wherever you get it. Amazon store. Anyways, I'm gonna put some black dye in it because I like my coffee black.
Like my man.
Yeah. Oh fuck! It's not opening.
Like a little bit of that black in you.
Yeah. Hang on. Cut.
Yeah, well, we can cut it out. I want to get a close up of the items.
Oh, sweet. Nice. I've got them to open now. So just gonna tip it in. Just tip a little bit in.
Yummy.
Give it a good mix. It's gonna be black coffee.
Willy Wonka's chocolate factory.
Yeah. Don't push this though. Oh, I love it. So you just give it a good stir. Make sure it's on low heat.
Smells like coffee.
Yeah. Yeah. Rightio, it's all ready now. Heat's off. We're gonna pour it in our molds. Make sure the silicone.
Silicon molds.
Yep.
Yep.
I like it. Alright, so we'll see you on the skate park and we'll test it out. But what we'll do first is we'll wait for it to cool, put it in the fridge for a little while, and then when it's cooled down we'll go to a skate park and we'll do some slides and see how we get on.
Test it out.
Alright, let's test out this wax.
Wait, do it slower. Oh, that was clean.
No. Almost.
I'll get it one day. Oh, that would have been cool. No.
Nice. Good trick. Board slide.
Nice.
Let's keep going.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, that was so long. Dude, if you landed that. Oh, bro. I count that as a win.
Nah.
That was so smooth. Bruh. Got the candles lit. That was sick.
That was sketchy.
Dude, manual off that is crazy.